some more. Well, you don't know, we got some more in store for you and yours. And this time we want to say a very special shout out to all the ladies in the house tonight. Ladies, can I hear you? In fact, can I get a big scream? You know why? Because this song goes out to you and yours, and we love you like that. So here we go. Last night your eyes were telling me what words could never say. You needed room to breathe, you needed time to get away. It's a way for young heart, and I know just how you feel. Your dreams are real, and I would never hold you against your will. And so I'll wait for you, just as long as you want me to. Yes, I'll wait for you, I know you come through. I hope you find all the things you need, all the things you had with me now. Yes, I'll wait for you, no, I'll wait. Today I woke up wondering, was I right or was I wrong? Did I really mean to let you go? Did I need to act so strong? It's a way for fools to agree to set you free. All I know we found when love is real, then you'll come on back to what was I did. And so I'll wait for you, just as long as you want me to. Yes, I'll wait for you, I know you'll come through. I hope you find all the things you need, all the things you had with me. Yes, I'll wait for you. When I look out the window and I see a stranger go walking by, I always imagine that it will be you next time. Oh, babe, you know I'll wait. I'll wait for you, lady. It's a way for you now, and I know just how you feel. Your dreams are real, and I will never hold you against your will. You know I'll wait for you, lady. You know I'll wait. You know I'll wait for you, lady. And so I'll wait for you, just as long as you want me to. Yes, I'll wait for you, I know you'll come through. I hope you find all the things you need, all the things you had with me now. Yes, I'll wait for you, you know I'll wait, oh Lord. And so I'll wait for you, just as long as you want me to now. Yes, I'll wait for you, I know you'll come through. I hope you find all the things you need, all the things you had with me now. Yes, I'll wait for you, you know I'll wait for you, lady. I'll wait. Thank you. And here's a song I'd like to do for each and everyone this evening, because this song especially goes out to all the children. So whether you're a niece, nephew, mother, father, this one goes out to all of us. It's about taking care of the children. because we have a responsibility to see that the hungry be fed, the sick nourished, the aged protected, and the infants cared for. So this time, this one goes out to the infants, the children. Check him out now. It's called Somewhere. Yes, sir. Thank you.
The breeze of love, got a carburetor to it today. I've got a carburetor today.
Nice.
So if we get it together, we might have to change the program somewhat. So we're gonna do some songs. Cause we see some people sitting in the chairs all evening. And we know that it's not grooving time. You know, some love that song there, but we had a little pressure, you know. Say no. So you wanna run the song? Look, we're going to do half of the song. That's all right? Half of it? Let's do it. Let's do it. Somewhere. Let's go. There's a baby crying somewhere as his father's dying. Mommy and God, no money for buying, for surviving. Little baby's crying somewhere. There's someone who's lonely. Somewhere in the world profoundly. Sad to say, it's not the one and only. For there are so many in a world of plenty. I learned to love. I learned to laugh. I learned the truth. To do for them. Thank you. What a cheer people up there now. What a cheer people up there. What a castle up there. Oh, them are true, that's darling, how I love you. I gave all I had. They tried to take you, and now I'm so mad. But that's the way to love. That's how I feel in my heart. I've got to say, oh, how I suffer. Oh, how I tried. I gave up my pride to be by your side, and whosoever tried to take the love that's really, really mine, I'll never say no other word, no other word. So for another guy back, tell us that let him try, 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 let him try. try. Check this one out. Show you loving all the time. Oh, yeah. Goes like that. I'm not in a position to maintain you the way that you're accustomed to. Can't take you out to friendship places like other fellas that I know you can do. I'm only able to romance you and make you tingle with the light. You must believe me, financially I'm a pauper, but when it comes to loving, I'm a baby, are you grooving myself? Alright. My time again. Don't show me what your friends are wearing. I really don't want to see. Don't show me what your friends are buying. Cause money doesn't grow on trees. Tell me about the things that excite you and make you tingle with the light. You must believe me, financially I'm a